Welcome to the Bloom Schools. Has he answered your letter? No, he hasn't answered my letter yet. What do you want me to send? Send a postcard as soon as you reach Tokyo. Is there any mail for me? Yes, you have got an express mail. How can I make it fast? To make it fast, you can send a fax. What's there in the envelope? There are some documents in the envelope. Where did you drop the letter? I dropped the letter into the mailbox in front of the post office. Do you know anything about him? No, I haven't heard from him for a long time. Are you in touch with him? Yes, I keep in touch by email since he left Canada. Is there any evidence to support what you have said? Yes, I have proper evidence. Do you agree with me? I cannot agree with you on this point. What's that? I have received a letter from my cousin. What about this student? He is very creative. What about the class? The whole class is in a heated discussion. Anybody else? Anything to say about it? No, I think nothing more to discuss about it. What are you saying? There are always two sides to everything. Finally, what happened? Finally, we came to an agreement. What do you think about his opinion? It's a very good decision. Thank you for watching.